This is question number 26. Question number 26, the diagram shows a prism. Okay, so we've got this prism here, and how do we know it's a prism? Well, we could see the shape at the front, and as you can see the shape, that runs through the full length of this particular 3D shape. All the corners are right angles. Work out the volume of the prism is what we're told. Okay, so we really want to work out the volume of this prism, and one of the things we should know about a prism, and when we're working out the volume of a prism, go straight to the formula sheet, and on the formula sheet, the volume of a prism is the area of the cross section, the area of the bit at the front, times how far back it goes, times its length. Okay, so the area of the front times how far back it goes. The area of the front, break it up into 3 shapes. Okay, and what I've done, you could do it several ways, but I've split it up into 3 rectangles. Okay, and I need to be clear about what the length and width of the rectangle is. So this distance here, I know definitely is 7. I don't know this distance. Look at the diagram carefully, see if you've been given that distance. I could see if I could work it out. But what I do know is that the distance all the way across is 5. This distance here is 2. 5 take away 2 is 3. Okay, so what that means is this bit up here and this bit up here add up to 3. They're both the same, right? It's symmetrical shape. So half of 3 is 1.5. So that distance there is going to be 1.5, and that there is 1.5. Think about what I've said, re-listen to it, look at it again, make sure you do fully understand it. So this particular rectangle, its length and width are 7 and 1.5. This one over here, I know this distance is 2, so I need to work out the area of this particular one. That distance there, I don't know. Looking carefully though, I know that the total distance, the height, is 7. That there is 3. 7 take away 3 will tell me that that distance there is going to be 4 centimeters. Let's work out the area of these shapes now. So this rectangle on this side here, this tall one, is 7 times 1.5. 7 times 1.5. Do be able to break it up and do that multiplication. You might be thinking to yourself, how do I work out 7 times 1.5? Well, 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 0.5, that means half of 7, which is 3.5. If you add those together, you're going to get your 10.5. Okay, so that's how you could get it. You could do it. This is a non-calculator paper, remember. So the area of this rectangle on this side is also going to be 10.5. They're identical, 7 by 1.5. The area of the rectangle in the inside or in between them, this one in here, is going to be 4 by 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 centimeters squared. To work out the total area of the front, I need to add these 3 distances. Okay, so 10.5, 10.5, and 8. 10.5 at 10.5 is 21. 21 at 8 is 29. 29 centimeters squared. So be okay with this, be familiar with this, make sure you can do that up to this point. Remember, at the beginning we said to work out the volume, you need to work out the cross-section area and then times it by the length, in effect how far back it goes. We've been given that length here, the 9. So the volume of the prism is going to be 29 times 9. Now a lot of people are going to look at 29 times 9 and think, what do you do? Break up the 29 into 20 and 9. 20 times 9 and 9 times 9. Okay, that's going to be the same as 29 times 9. 20 times 9 is 180. 9 2 is 18 with a 0. 9 times 9 is 81. Add those together. 1. 8 add 8 is 16. Carry 1. 1 add 1 is 2. So that gives me the 261, which is the total volume of the shape. Now, there isn't a unit in the answer space. I need to put that in. That's going to be 261 centimeters cubed. This is a very good question. It teaches you quite a lot. It makes sure you know quite a lot, and it is something that you're very likely to get Go through this a couple of times, make sure you understand it completely, and you can do one like it if you get it in the exam.